My name is Nanni Bertorelli. I am Product Line Manager Coating and Laminating at Bobst, and I am today in front of the new Nova S6 550 laminator, together with Corrado Periti, our Process Manager Coating and Laminating. And I have a question for you, Corrado.
Yes?
I saw the machine yesterday running trials for a customer of ours, and I saw this job performed at 450 meters per minute with a very high speed, I have to say, and very good quality. The customer was really impressed and he congratulated on the results achieved. And I have to say, I was also impressed. So I would like to ask you if you could briefly explain how is it possible to reach such a good result on this machine?
Yes, of course. The S6 550 is extremely performant from wet tension control to coating accuracy and precision. The coating unit has been designed to and the roller are that make it really. What can I say more? Come and see.
Yeah, thanks Corrado. Really, come and see. We invite you to come and see live the machine and run trials with your materials here in our competence center in San Giorgio Monferrato. Thank you.